according to me, a mobile is such a device that people get addicted so easily.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the reason they buy more mobile
Yes, Sania.
in one family. That's why they try to use it.
Yes, and I think the parents must care their child that how they are using their phone. They should try to make them understand that they should keep a good and app in their phone. And nowadays many apps are also coming which will really help you to minimize the phone addiction, because it has really a very bad impact on your future. So our last suggestion will be only this, that no one can keep an eye 24 hours on you. It is only you, that how will you make your future bright and how you are going to take decisions on this. So we must try to be mature enough to take a right decision for us, because it is the age in which we can make our future or destroy it.
Hello friends, I am Noor Alam Siddiqui, Director of Oxford English Classes, and now you are watching Learn English in a Short Time. आज हम लोग जानेंगे मोबाइल के डिफरेंट यूजर्स को, साथ में ये भी जानेंगे मोबाइल एडिक्शन क्या है और इस मोबाइल एडिक्शन से हम किस तरह छुटकारा पा सकते हैं और अपने फ्यूचर को बेहतर बना सकते हैं। इस इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप्स को लेकर आज आ रही हैं मिस शाइस्ता एंड मिस सानिया। I would like to call Miss Shaista and Sania to give their valuable opinion and also to suggest students how to get rid of mobile addiction. Please come here.
Hello everyone, I'm Sania here.
And I'm Shaista here. Today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, that is mobile and how to get rid of mobile addiction. So what do you think, Sania? Is mobile really important?
According to me, Shaista, it is very important for us in this era because it saves our lot of time and it saves our energy.
Yes, Sania, you are absolutely right, because in this modern era, we can't imagine how our life will be without mobile. So I think mobile has become a part of our life. So we must try to use and keep phone in a right manner. And Sania, what's your opinion, that should students keep phone or not?
Yes, Shaista, according to me, students should keep their mobile with themselves for a study purpose only.
Yes, Sania, you are right, but I think mobile is a very biggest and worst source of distraction, and students are getting distracted from their goals and from their studies. So what's your opinion about this?
Shaista, for this I will say that the students who are above 18 years old, they should keep their mobile with themselves, because at this age they are enough mature to understand what is wrong and what is right for them. And who are below this age, they can use their parents' mobile, and parents should keep eye on them whether they are using for a right purpose or wrong.
Yes, Sania, you are right to some extent, that the students who are above 18, that they can keep their own phone, but I think mobile has a very bad impact on their studies because it really distracts them. And I don't think that students should keep their personal phone, because it really distracts them from their studies. So what's your opinion, Sania?
Shaista, for this I will say that students should not keep those apps which are very dangerous for their life and which distract them from their study. They should exclude all those apps which distract from study. By this they can focus on their study very well.
Yes, Sania, you are giving a very important tips to students, that they must try to not keep those apps, like they should not keep Instagram, Facebook, because they are not such apps which can help them in their studies from any point of view. So I think they should keep YouTube, but also in YouTube they should subscribe those channels from which they are really getting benefit, which can make their future, not destroy their future. So I think nowadays everything has two sides, and it totally depends on students that how they are using it. So I think they should try to use phone in a good manner. But Sania, it is very easy to tell that we should try to use mobile in a very less amount, but those people who are really addicted to phone, they have a phone addiction. So what do you want to give any tip to those people who are phone addict?
Yes, Shaista, I will sure give you one tip, that they should not leave their mobile immediately. They should try to leave slowly by making their habit. They should operate mobile for, if they are using a mobile for 4 hours a day, then they should try to use mobile 2 hours. Then like this they should reduce using the mobile.
Yes, Sania, you have given a very good tip that students should try to minimize the apps gradually, not suddenly, because we can see if we will do anything suddenly, it will really impact our mental health as well as physical health. So we should try to minimize it gradually and slowly. And one point also I want to share, that we must, as a student, we must try to keep our mindset positive, full of positivity, because we are in that age that is going to make our future bright. So I think, or it can also destroy our future. So it is totally dependent on us, how will we able to perform. And it is a very good quotation that nothing can destroy an iron but its own rust can. And in the same manner, no one can destroy you but your own mindset can. So we must try to keep our mindset positive and full of positivity. We should try to reduce negativity, and we should try to use mobile in a very less amount to make our future bright. So Sania, what's your opinion that students should give a more amount of time in their phone or not?
As you see, Shaista, in a lockdown period, it was very useful for them to use the mobile, because all the study they were doing with the help of mobile only. Okay, but now the school are reopened. Now they are going to school, and now there is no much need to use the mobile. So now they can give less time to mobile. And you have also given a very nice tip that, and we also know that excessive of everything is very bad. So we should use mobile in a proper manner.
Yes, Sania, you are right, because excess of reading is also bad. So you must try to do anything in a proper time. We must make a proper time that how we will go to use phone, because nowadays people are managing their study with phone. We don't have to do this. We have to keep our study with managing phone time. And what should we do? That we should use phone in our breaks which we take in a study. During our long hours of a study, we can use it for entertainment purpose. Not we should do like that we are operating mobile for 3 to 4 hours, then studying for 15 to 20 minutes. It is totally going to destroy your future if you are doing it like this. So we must try to minimize the timing of phone, and it is a very important topic to discuss, because I think 90% of students are facing this problem. And Sania, what do you think that the popularity of phone is increasing day by day? Means a person who is living in village or town or city, they are keeping phone. So what do you think? Is it good to keep mobile because in a family you can see there is not only one phone, because there are more phones per person. A person may keep 2 phones, but it is not a possibility that he will not keep mobile. So what is your opinion about this?
Shaista, according to me, a mobile is such a device that people get addicted so easily.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the reason they buy more mobile in one family. That's why they try to use it.
Yes, and I think the parents must care their child, that how they are using their phone. They should try to make them understand that they should keep a good and app in their phone. And nowadays many apps are also coming which will really help you to minimize the phone addiction, because it has really a very bad impact on your future. So our last suggestion will be only this, that no one can keep an eye 24 hours on you. It is only you, that how will you make your future bright, and how you are going to take decisions on this. So we must try to be mature enough to take a right decision for us, because it is the age in which we can make our future or destroy it. So it totally is in our hand, and we must try to make our future bright. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
आज के लिए इतना ही। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा ज़रूर कमेंट करके बताएं। अगर पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के बीच इसे वाइडली शेयर करें, और अगर आपने अब तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, इसे ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें, ताकि हमारे सभी वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँचता रहे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।